Hey guys, welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday. I'm Camden with TCC Telecom, and today I'll be showing you how to install TeamViewer using Firefox. If you're a Chrome user, go to our previous video where you'll see how to do it using Chrome. So first we're going to open up Firefox and type in the website, which is teamviewer.com. You can also find the link in the description. Now first, you're going to want to go ahead and click download for free. You'll be brought to this site and this pop-up should happen. If it doesn't, make sure you go here and click direct download. For now, we're just going to go ahead and click save file. In the top right, you'll see when it's completed, and you'll be able to click open file. When you open the file, you'll be brought with this window. You want to have default installation selected and click accept-next. You're going to be brought up with a window from user account control, and I'll have a PNG on screen for you to see what that's like because of an error with the recording software, and click yes. After that, you'll see this installation process take place. Once that's completed, you want to make sure you select I want to use the free version for personal use, and then click finish. And once that's done, you'll have TeamViewer and you'll have access to all of its uses. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to comment and we'll answer them, whether with a video or with a response to your comment. Have a wonderful day and thank you for watching.